you are free to add, but if you don't feel to, so you are free. Oh God, I'm adding butter. The butter will even give the food more flavor. Okay, let me add ketchup. Hey! You know ketchup too is so spicy. So I'm adding my ketchup. If you are doing pizza sauce, you don't have ketchup. It's not by force. Yeah, it's not by force. Make in a way you can afford. Yeah. Yeah. So butter makes the food taste good though. Me, I love doing cooking, adding butter. Even if I'm making soup cry, I have to add. But olive oil too is a nice oil. Olive oil is very healthy than cooking vegetables oil. Alright. Hey. This iPhone will become so hot right now. Nonsense iPhone. iPhone is a phone I will not use my money to buy again. All right. Let's check our sauce. This is garlic powder, onion powder. So this is the only love Real Madrid. Hi, how are you doing? Please, if you join us, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, then connect to each other, connect to everyone you see here, so that we can also support you. This is onion powder and this is garlic powder.